Hey guys, welcome to another video. Welcome to my new subscribers and welcome back to my viewers. So, I'll be doing an almond shape design in this video. I prepped already. I applied my dehydrator, my primer. Now I'm applying the acrylic. So this is also a custom mix acrylic. I used Young Nails brand acrylic powder, speed clear and cover peach to mix this color. So you can go ahead and try, or if you know a brand that has a similar color, you can go ahead and make that purchase if you like the color. But that's how I got that color. So continue watching guys to see how I do a nude set. So she was a plain Jane. She just did the nude set without any design. So we're still recording these simple sets as well, not just design ones. So keep on watching guys and comment below what you think about the video, the design and the nail itself. What you think about it? Do you think that shape fit the client, or what you think? Let me know what you guys think about this nail set. And it's also good for beginners too. A plain acrylic set. I hope it is easy to understand. I do many beads. I'm not the one who will stick to one bead or two beads or even three. Sometimes you miss something. It takes a little more. So I am not setting stones as to the amount of beads that I use. So there's no hard and fast rule about that. It's just that you're consistent with time as best as you can, but work on application first before you work on speed. Speed will come eventually, so work on application of the acrylic with the liquid to powder ratio to see how it's going before you think about how fast you need to be going in doing a set. I still don't consider speed even right now with my clients. They may ask me sometimes, and based on where I'm at the time, and they ask me, I'm going to give them a time. But there's no guarantee as to what time. But I try to stick within 2 hours of my clients, whether you're doing long or short. I try to use that as a time frame to do the sets. Unless it's designed, then it's beyond the 2 hours. But a simple set like this, it took I think it was an hour and 15 minutes, an hour and a half. So it's far within the 2 hour range. So speed comes in time. My first set, it took me hours to get it done. Now I have to take my time over the years to shave down the time a little. But I'm not watching the clock. But I put it within a 2 hour time frame because most times that's the time it lasts to do it. So that's how I get it done. No hard and fast about it. Do it to your own comfort, no rush. If the clients are rushing, tell them they have to reschedule or stuff like that. But do not rush if you're a beginner. Take your time and see how you can work with application first before you think about speed. So now we're in the filing process, which I use a gel first this time because it's a almond shape design. So use my gel to smooth the surface of the nail, take down, smooth at the same time, and then I will use my hand file to perfect the shape. So keep on watching guys. If you have any questions or concerns or anything about the nail design or about nails, please do so in the comment section below. I'll try to mention what I use and where I get it from in the description box below as best as I can remember. So bear with me guys. Keep on watching. If you enjoy the video, don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified when I post new videos. You know, we're applying our top coat. You know, once we're doing that, the nail is practically finished. So thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment what you think about this nail. And it's beginner friendly, and you can share with your friends and family and tell them to come on over and watch nail videos with you. So I'll see you guys in the next video.